Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you exercise 2.5 from 9th standard. In that question number 16. So question number 16 is, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of cuboids whose volumes are given below? So dimensions are nothing but what the measurements, and when volume is given, we know the formula of volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. So we have to find the possible expressions for length, dimensions, and nothing but the measurements, that is length, breadth and height. So we have to try to write the given expression or given polynomial into product of three terms. So let us start. So this volume is given, volume of cuboid equals to 3x square minus 12x. So as we know, we can take 3 common from both the terms, just factorize and try to write this volume in the form of product of 3 factors. So 3 came out, and from this 1x, from this 1x. So 3x is common from both the terms. So 3x went here, so x will remain. Minus 3, how you can write this? 3 4s are 12. 3 went here, x went here, so 3 4s are 12 will remain. So here you can take 3 as length, this as breadth, this as height. Then you can repeat this as length, breadth, height, length, breadth, height. And one more possibility is what? You can take 3x as length, x minus 4 as breadth, and 1 as height. So let us try to write these 3 factors as length, breadth and height. So first one, possible things are what? Because they ask what are the possible expressions. So for expression for length can be 3, for breadth x, and for height, because you can write this in product form, that is x minus 4. You can take x as a length, second way of writing, then x minus 4 as breadth and 3 as a height. Third possible way is, you can take x minus 4 as a length, 3 as a breadth and x as a height. Or fourth possible thing is what? You can take 1 as a length, 3x as a breadth and x minus 4 as a height. Or you can take here 3x as a length, breadth as a x minus 4 and height as a 1. 3 more pairs you can make from this fourth expression. So we are expressed the dimensions means what? Length, breadth, height of a cuboid whose volumes are given below. So these can be the possibilities. Similarly, they are given the second question. Volume they are given. Here we have tried to write this in the product of 3 factors. So let us start. 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So as we know, the first type of factorization, always you have to try to get common thing from given terms. So 3 terms are given. What is common here? You can say that 12, 8 and 20 comes in table of 4. So 4 is common. Again variables k, you will get. So 4k can be common. So what will remain here? 4 3s are 12. So 3 will remain. K came here and y square will remain. Plus 4 2s are 8. So k went there. So y will remain. Then 4 5s are 20. K went there. So 5 will remain. So next 4k came common, and this we got what? Quadratic polynomial in y. So find the factor of this quadratic polynomial. You will get 2 factors. So as we know, volume of a cuboid has length, breadth and height. So we got 1, this as product. Then 2 more factors you will get. So total you get what? 3 terms in terms of products. So we will find this 3y square. 3 5s are 15. So we have to find the factor of 15. 15 ones are 15. Or you can take 1 15s are 15. But adding this, you will not get 2y. So let us write some of the factors of 15. 3 5s are 15 you can take. After subtracting, you will get what? 15. So we are going to use these 2 factors. So 5y or 3y, or you can take in reverse form. minus and this is minus. Why? Because if you subtract, you will get what? 2y. 4k, and find the factors of this. In this, what is common? Y is common. So what will get here? 3y plus 5. Again, you should get what? Same bracket. So we'll get minus 1 will be outside. 3y plus 5 equals to 4k. And here 3y plus 5 will be common. Inside bracket, y minus 1 will remain. So these are two factors we got from this quadratic polynomial, and this is one more common factor we got here. So we can take this as length, breadth, height. Then again you can take this as length, breadth, height, or you can take this length, breadth, height, or else you can join this k. You can keep k aside or join this 4 with these two. So in many ways you can express this. So one way I'll show. So length I would like to take as 4k. Then breadth I'll take 3y plus 5, and height will be y minus 1. If you want to take this as length, you can take length, height, and this is breadth, or you can take this is length, breadth, height. So if you like my explanation, do like and subscribe my channel.